Today we're gonna learn about the letter A and its sounds. We have so many sounds of the letter A. First of all, we have short A. We pronounce it in the word as A. Short A comes in two positions. Number one, in the beginning of the words. For example, we have some words when the letter A comes at the beginning, we pronounce it as short A. We pronounce it A. Like apple, ask, ant. The second position of short A is when it comes in the middle of the word, like the words cat, mat, fan. Now we have another sound of the letter A. It's the long A. We pronounce it at its name, A, A. The first position when the letter A is followed by the letter I, we pronounce it A. Like mail, rain, wait, train. The second position of the long A when the letter A is followed by the letter Y. For example, may, day, way, play. The third position of the long A when the letter A comes in the middle of the word followed by consonant, then we have the magic or the silent E. Also here we pronounce it long A, like name, cake, plate, game. We have another sound of the letter A when it's followed by double L. We pronounce it all, like ball, call, wall. Another sound of the letter A when it's followed by the letter U, we pronounce it O, O, like August, August, autumn, autumn. The sound of the letter A is followed by the letter W, we pronounce it ah, ah, like draw, draw, straw, strum. The sound of the letter A is followed by L, we pronounce it al, al, like salt, salt. And finally, we have the letter A when it's followed by the letter R, we pronounce it R, R, like car, far, bar. The expression of today is about the letter A. It says, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. I hope that's gonna be helpful. Follow for more. Thanks for watching.